Shit, it was not recording. Let's do that again. So the fingers here, it should be healed by now. I keep reopening it. I have seen that Earth is under radiation things, and it's been since July that it's going on like this. So it's been a while that you're being hammered with, I don't know. And I cannot know because I am busy with this, so I cannot tell you. No one can tell you what's going on with the universal forces which are around Earth right now, because I am too busy taking care of that. And because people keep pushing on me so that I wouldn't have the time or the energy to dedicate into getting in contact with them, so that I could explain you what are the vibration, the radiation with which you are being bombarded every single day for I don't know how long. You won't have that answer. For now, it looks like you might die before knowing it. So perhaps this is it. This was the preparation for you to die. It's nothing new. And the people pushing here, they know about it. Huh? They know. What is more important, that I'd be visited at night rather than finding a solution to this, understanding what's really going on. Yet they want to have so many answers. This is why I need to be under mind control and body control all the fucking time, so that they would have more knowledge about what's going on in the universe, for instance, so that they would have it for themselves. It's as well knowledge, but doesn't matter. Thanks to me, it's accessible. Doesn't matter. They want what's here right now. Some pieces of skin of human technology. Well, I could have access to so much more over there. So I'm going to show you this. The screenshot not working. This was the first thing. So it was in the document. I did this with my screenshot. And I go here. Images from picture. And you can see that it's not there. That's the last one. this amount of storage free 298. So you see how many deaths there are all around. You see how many high figures are being killed. You see that they are going to jail. Yet, you see as well that humanity is in danger of extinction. I'm not responsible for it. This is your doing. This is what you're doing to yourself. And right now it's going back to where it was, where it's supposed to be, you being. And they keep pushing. They don't stop. This is the